Now let's consider a new input. In previous example we had this kind of structure: rating, primary value, secondary value, and this kind of values were there. Now in upcoming example we need to modify our input structure, so we added new thing: name, expert rating, name, general rating. So primary rating is a expert rating, secondary rating is a general rating. So this new field is added here. So here we are talking about at the rate. At the rate means look for a particular field value on a particular level. So here we have a rating, primary, name and value. In my shift operation, what I am doing, I am talking to rating, pointer is here, then I am saying asterisk means iterate over this object. So this object, this part, this much part and this much part, this two part I am going to iterate. So consider iteration on first level on a primary. Under that I am going to look for a value. So my jolt pointer is at here, line number 5, value. I will pick up that value, number 3. Number 3 is in my accumulator right now, and then what I will do with that number 3, I have to put it in a prime. Under prime, what I have to do, go and look on level 1, go and look on level 1 for the field name, and whatever value that name contains, that value you will use as a name in output. So here I will go and look for a level 1. Level 1 is primary because this was level 0. Level 1 is primary. Inside primary I will look for a field name, name. So okay, I found it, name. So whatever value that field contains, the value of that field is expert rating. So now I am holding expert rating. This expert rating will be replaced in this part, this much part. So it will be prime dot expert rating. So here I got expert rating, and whatever value I picked up from this value will be placed here. Okay, so let me clear out, here is all ink. Now let's iterate over for a second object. Second object means under rating. First object was this much, this much. Second object start from here. Under secondary, value, this is value, value is 4, so I have a 4 in my accumulator. Now under prime, so I create a field prime. Under that I encountered at the rate. At the rate means go and find a field name named. So it will go on level 1. This was level 0, this was level 1. Name is a sibling of value. See, name is a sibling, so above parent is a level 1. So go into level 1. Now in level 1 it will look for a field which has a name as a name. So it found a node, this one, found node. Whatever value that node contains, that value will be picked up and replaced with this much part. So this becomes prime dot general rating. Okay, so prime dot general rating means prime inside that field general rating, and whatever value I picked up from value, that will be placed here. Now look for a one more level, level 2. So rating is there, same, asterisk is there, same for looping in particular all field. So under rating I am looping through all the fields, primary, secondary and all these fields. So inside that I am looking for a value here. So I have found value in this particular node. Consider a first iteration. So inside this, it will go and pick up number 3. This number 3 will be placed into prime, and now you encounter at the rate. At the rate means you need to find a node and get a value. So where you need to find a node? On level 2. So this is level 0, this will be level 1, this will be level 2. So I need to find a node under rating node this time. What node I need to find out? A name. Okay, I found this node name. So what that node name contains is all rating, this text. So this all rating text will be replaced with this particular area. So prime dot all rating, and you will get all the rating here in 3 and 4. Now see why it is array, because in first iteration also I will get all rating, on second iteration also I will get a all rating. So in all the iteration I will get a static text all ratings. So Jolt will automatically understand that all these values 3 and 4 and whatever value comes, they all are referred to one particular node, one particular field. That's why Jolt has wrapped that all value in an array and replaced it here.